Nugget.
Santa! What are the children gonna say? Sit. Let's try it again.
Pull her ears through it. Good girl.
Ah, you be nice. Okay, go get the children.
Good girl. Come.
Go see the children.
Where's your workshop? Where are the elves?
Like your JJ. Richie. Alright, let's go get Rudolph. Come on.
Where's Rudolph?
Where's Rudolph? When she feels it.
Pinch.
Oh, let's see her while she's wearing it.
Pinch, you want your foodies? Okay, foodies?
Sit. Fix your hat first. You be good. Only good. Good Santa's foodies.